Welcome to the garden. Here plants make their own food through a magical process called photosynthesis. Hi there. Welcome to today's lesson on photosynthesis. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to explain what photosynthesis is, the roles of chloroplasts, the light-dependent reactions, and the Calvin cycle. Can you tell me, what do plants need to make their own food? That's right. Plant needs sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis happens in special part of the plant called chloroplast. These tiny factories use sunlight, water, carbon dioxide to produce glucose and oxygen. But how does it work? Well, let's take a closer look. Let's move on to Miss Green for more information. Thank you so much, Jessica. You see, plants are like superheroes. So, let's start with the basics. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy from the sun into chemical energy in the form of glucose.
Thanks, Miss Green. Now let's move to the roles of chloroplast. Chloroplasts are tiny organelles found inside plant cells. They're the powerhouse of the cell, responsible for converting sunlight into energy. Chloroplasts contain the pigment chlorophyll, which absorbs sunlight and gives plants their green color. They also produce other important compounds like amino acids and lipids. But their main role is to produce glucose and oxygen through photosynthesis. This process is essential for plant growth and development. In short, chloroplasts are the unsung heroes of the plant world, working tirelessly to provide energy and support plant life. Now let's move back to Jessica.
Thank you, Mr. Hernandez, for that wonderful insight. Next, let's discuss the light-dependent reactions. The light-dependent reactions occur in the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplast. They involve the conversion of light energy into ATP and NADP. This process is also known as the Hill reaction. Let's move back to Miss Green. Finally, let's talk about the Calvin cycle. The Calvin cycle is a series of reactions that occur in the stroma of the chloroplast. It's also known as the light-independent reaction. The Calvin cycle uses the ATP and NADP produced in the light-dependent reactions to convert CO2 into glucose.
Let's not forget about the equation. The equation for photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus light energy, right pointing arrow C6H12O6, glucose, plus 6O2. This equation shows that carbon dioxide, water, and light energy are converted into glucose and oxygen through the process of photosynthesis.
And that's it. By now, you should have a good understanding of what photosynthesis is, the roles of chloroplasts, the light-dependent reactions, and the Calvin cycle. Thanks for watching.